Hello, Year 8. My name is Mrs. Davey and I'm the Head of Computer Science and IT here at Pant School. And a big welcome to this promotional video to tell you all about the exciting and engaging courses we offer here in this school in our department. Now, I don't get to teach many Year 8s at the moment, and I really hope that I get to meet a lot of you over the next couple of years in Year 9, 10, 11 by you opting for one of our exciting courses that we offer. I'm going to use this chance now to tell you about both of the courses, and hopefully by the end of it, it will help you make the decision as if to whether you are interested in taking it next year. What I want to do first is think about some of the images that are appearing now on your screen. Thinking about the way we use technology today and how it's changed. Thinking about the way we shop. We do mainly that online, don't we now? Thinking about the way we even check into airports. It's all technology driven and all automated. Thinking about the way we pay for things, the way we even drive in the future. Are they going to driverless cars? And thinking about the way we communicate with each other. Do we talk as much now, or do we mainly WhatsApp each other or Instagram each other, or possibly just talk via mobile phones than even the landline? The way technology has changed has greatly developed, particularly over the last 20 years. And to be involved in technology in the future, you're going to have the skills and understanding to do that. And by taking one of our courses, this will give you the skills you need. Since technology has changed so dramatically over around the last 20 to 30 years, I first thought it'd be a good idea for us to have a look at this really fun video that shows the massive changes, from using video cassettes to watch films, all the way to live streaming on our digital tellies, from using landlines and dialing long numbers to using our mobile phones that have it already programmed in. This video shows it all. Just take a little bit of time to watch this with your teacher to engage in the dramatic changes that have happened. So hopefully from that video you grasped several things. Hopefully the main overarching theme was somebody out there has delivered the intuition, has delivered the skills and the knowledge to be able to design and create these wonderful things that we use every day, from drones to obviously the use of communication like mobile phones, to fast internet connections, to the fact that our computer games have changed dramatically, so we almost feel like we're actually in the game. Those skills are being driven from somewhere. So a qualification in computer science or digital technology is the future. They had to learn those skills by starting somewhere, and it would have been in school. It's very hard to think about a job or a career where ICT is not involved in some way. It doesn't matter what you do. If you become a doctor, you're going to have to use the computer to log different patients' notes. You're going to have to use the computer to find out test results. If you are, for example, an artist, you'll probably use some sort of software to develop your art even further in this day and age. So computers and technology are driven through everything. So what courses do we offer? Two exciting and engaging courses. The first one is the WJC GCSE in Computer Science. And this is for more if you like problem solving, coding and programming. So have you ever attended coding club with Mrs. Lewis? If you have done, this is maybe something you want to pursue in the future and something you're keen to do outside of school as well. You don't need to be a programmer at all. You don't need any prior skills. We will teach you all the skills you need from scratch. Or we have GCSE Digital Technology. We make use of so much technology in our everyday lives. So why wouldn't you like to have the knowledge about what's going on and developing your own digital projects? That course can be for you. This course is much more creative, I suppose, in design-wise. So if you like making things look nice and engaging in designing digital assets, then this is the course for you. So let's have a look at each one individually. GCSE Digital Technology looks at 3 key units. The digital world, which will comprise in an exam at the end of year 11, which will look at the different types of digital technologies that exist and the value of digital technology and how we use it in today's society. It will also look at digital practices. This is the main bulk of coursework that you will do, and is very exciting because you get to design a game or animation using the latest Adobe software, which again you'll be given and will teach you from scratch. You will also look at communicating in the digital world, where you will design, again, some inspirational and exciting digital assets. You will have full access to the new Adobe suite, which the school will purchase in for you, which will give you access to software such as Adobe Animate, Photoshop and Dreamweaver, and you will also have the opportunity to enhance your spreadsheet and word processing skills. GCSE Computer Science is another course which is really exciting for the future. Every type of technology we use in society today, whether it's a games console, mobile phone, a microwave or even a treadmill at the gym, is programmed to do what it does. Without programs, we'd never have access to this wonderful technology. So do you want to be one of them? If you do, this could be the course for you. We have 3 key units. One is Unit 1, which is Understanding Computer Science, which compromises in a 50% written exam at the end of year 11. We will look at how a computer works, the internet, algorithms and programming within this unit. Unit 2 looks at solving programs using computers. This will take place with an on-screen exam at the end of year 11. Unit 3 is developing a computer solution, which is where the WJC will give you a piece of controlled assessment. This is where you learn your main programming skills, and this is where you really become a true programmer. You will learn to program in Python as well as learning what's inside a computer and how it works, and there's so much potential in your future for programming. It does involve a little bit of maths, and you have to have patience to learn how to code. So bear that in mind when thinking about this subject. So the choice is yours. I've given you a little bit of information about each one. However, if you do want any more information, remember you can go onto the school website to watch this video again. You can get any more information from your ICT teacher at any point, or you can pop into F17 and speak to me directly, Mrs. Davey. The only reason, remember, we have these amazing things available to us in today's society is because young people like yourselves have taken an interest in technology and the programme of it. Both of these subjects allowed you to do it, and both of them will give you great options for the future, whatever path you decide to take. Thank you for listening.